Guys, it's me Hassan, aka Al Hassan. Thank you for watching my video. Today's video is a special training video for my team members in WeShare Abundance. Okay, I just want to record this video to help my members to know how to actually create the account, how to sign up at WeShare Abundance. And before I go on, what the number one thing I always encourage my team members to do once they join is that they join the Facebook group, because inside this Facebook group there's a lot going on. We learn and share and get updated on what is going on. Okay, so it's really very important indeed you follow it. So always remember, we're sharing the love together. Well, today's video is just about how to sign up, okay? How to create your WeShare Abundance accounts, okay? Well, that's what happens here. Everybody who comes to the site, you just need to what? Take time and watch something about this. And also when you are sharing your link with your people, tell them when they come to the site, they need to what? Click this site, this page. WSA and WISA. Okay, this is the WeShare Abundance and this is the WISA, the community token. Just click on it and read, go through what is it. Then you also look at about what? WeShare Abundance. Click on it and go through it. Let them click on it and go through it. Now see, most people, they join, they just come blindly because they are in a hurry, they want to go, they just want to, hey, where's the site to join? Where do I create my account? They don't learn. Then when they finish, they come and then be asking, what am I to do? This is very simple. Just take advantage of what is on the site. Also, the proofs and testimonials page is here. You can go through everything you want to see. Then the power of one, everything. They can also click here to join our Facebook group, okay? Then also below that, you can see WeShare Abundance is a non-profit charitable organization. They can read it and go through it. That's how we learn. Most people, they just want to they don't want to take the time to learn. They come and be asking all manner of questions, okay? This is one of the easiest money you can ever make online, okay? So encourage them to just make sure they check through some of the pages. Now let's go on. Having said that, so you just have to go through all those things, WSA and WESA, then what to do, about WISA. If you want, then you can check the others. Frequently asked questions, all the questions that you have, the answers are here. So once you come here and then we want to get started, how do you get started? Just come here to this page, what to do, okay? Click on it. Let's say you have then read everything and watched the videos. Alright, you are then brought to this page, okay? How to become an active citizen of WeShare Abundance and generate income by serving and sharing love. Okay, just go to this. These are now the steps. See, we have got 8 steps. Simple 8 steps. The first step is where they say what? Register by completing the registration form. Get full instructions here. Okay, there's full instructions here. You can click on it to see. You see each of them that you click, it takes you to a what? It opens a new window. What happens that you can always finish, you can always go back to the original page. This one, okay? Want to complete this step. So we are now in step 1. Register by completing the registration form. Get full instructions here. Click on it. Okay. Okay, now once you go to the step 1, this is the page you come to. So please take note of this. Note that only one registration per household is allowed, okay? Registering multiple people at the same address can result in all accounts being closed, with a total loss of all benefits and funds. This is okay with you? So this is just simple. This is how to get started though. So this is a short video. Some people come and ask me, how do I get registered? How do I start it? It's simple. Just watch this video. Graham takes you through it, okay? Welcome to our community. It's a simple video. Just watch it, okay? Just watch it. What is it about? You get it? So it's as simple as that. Just take time and watch this short video. Okay? Graham just explained to you how to sign up in this short video. Welcome you to our community, okay? And then he just take you through. And then know that $2 of many more. Okay? It's just simple. So watch this video, then you see what it is. You see it? He just demonstrating everything, okay? But for the sake of this recording, I'll just scroll down and show you. Once you finish watching the video, just scroll down and come here. You can see it here. Register now. Join our community, okay? To click to register, you see it will bring you to a login page like this. This is what most people seem to be confusing, but it's not confusing. You show if you are a member already, you can just what? Enter your username and your password, then you log in. But you are not a member. What do? Just still, you can see here, not a WeShare Abundance member. Join us. So just click on this one. This one, just click on this, okay? Click on it. Alright, just click on it. You see, once you click on it, it will then bring you to the register page. register for We Share Abundance. Okay, once you're registering, you see your sponsor name down there. In case if it were me, you will see Al Hassan, you will see Yorison. Okay, this just for demonstration purpose. You can choose your own username. Let's say anything at all. Choose your username, your email address. When you come, type in your email address. Please use only Gmail email address. Okay, I recommend that because that's where you will receive your link, your confirmation link. Make sure you type in the correct email address. If your email address starts with a capital letter, make sure you start it. If it starts with a small letter, make sure you start with a small letter. Then you choose your own password, okay? It's as simple as that. Remember your username and your password. Once you are done, just come here and click on register now. Here they're saying find your sponsor. Let's say somebody gave you the link, but you came to this site. You can click on here, find your sponsor, and then you find the sponsor's name. You can type it. But once you are done, just come here and click on register now. I don't want to click this to register because I have registered already. I'm a registered member. Once you click on register now, then a confirmation email will be sent to your email. Okay, the email that you have used to register. So you see, verification of your email address is very important action for many reasons, including the fact that simple by verifying your email address you earn money. However, many email providers block automated emails and confirmation messages, and so we strongly recommend you use a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can get one free here. Okay, just click and you get one. Even with Gmail, you may find that the verification email does not reach your inbox. Okay, so check all folders, including spam, and whitelist our account. Okay, that is it here. So once you click on register now, you go to your email address and check for it. Okay, go to your email and check for it. So once you check your email, you should receive something like this. Okay, you receive a similar email like this. Email verification from WeShareAbundance.com. So you just account activation link, just click on this. Check it is from what? We Share Abundance. Membership at WeShareAbundance.com. Email verification, account activation link. So you click on this account, this link. If you can't open it, copy it and paste it on a new window. Then you can see the found Graham Frame, We Share Abundance System, DL and copy 2020. That is it. Just click on this to open. Once this link opens, it will take to the getting started page. Okay, it's as easy as that. That's why you then follow the other steps to complete it. How we got it right? So you can see, so that's why you then finish that number 2. That's why they say what? Verify your email address. See the first video here. And that's why I'm telling you every single video, okay, every stage, every step, there's always a video that teaches you how to go about it. So nothing is really complicated in We Share Abundance. Everything is very easy. You can see here. So this is now the step 2. Congratulations on your registration. Task 1, verify your email address. So you have verified that already. You have clicked on that email that you received, the link. So you click on it. It's as easy as that. Once you do that, then you then follow this task. Steps 2, complete your profile. This is very important. You can see this one too. There's a video. Please take time and watch this video. It's as easy as anything. Just like three. And this one to the first step, how to verify your email. Watch this video and you watch it. And it's easy to verify your email. Then number 2, you what? Complete your profile. It's as simple as anything. I don't want to make this video long. Let me just show you a detailed one, of course. Once you are done, you just log in now. Then you can go. Okay, I just logged into my account to show you the step 2, how to complete the step 2. Okay, what is step 2 says? We have done step 1 already. So step 2 is what? Complete your profile. Watch this video, you'll get it right. Okay, you got it right. Now I just logged into my account. I have done all these things already. Once you log in here, you see your account. This is how your dashboard will look like. You see my dashboard? Can you see my dashboard here? So this is my dashboard. If you didn't complete your profile, you see profile, what they'll say what? Manage, it's not completed. So it's simple, just click on this. Once you click on that, you just come to profile. Okay, the first one is profile. So make sure you actually fill it in. You see, type in your first name, your last name, your address. Please use your real name and your real address, because with over time you will be doing what? You will be what? Doing your KYC verification. Make sure you write in the correct thing. Then you come to tap your country. Then also subscribe to email notifications. Then when you come here, choose what? Automatically renew your stake for next month at current level. Okay, just do it. It's easy. Once you are done, just click on submit. Okay, that is it. Profile has been set. So you are done with what? Step 2. Don't forget to also what? Set your PIN. You can also set what? Your secondary PIN. The secondary PIN is needed when you want to what? make withdrawal. So you can just be some 4 digits, your date of birth, your friend's date of birth, or whatever. Just type it here, write it, and then confirm it, and then you save. I have one already. That is why it is like this. Okay, that is it. So this is as easy as anything, of course. That's why I just wanted to let you know. That's for what? Step 2. Then step 3. This is where really everything is now. You can then add your Visa address wallet. Okay. So also that one to the video is there. And if you just calm down, look at it here. Oh, this is just simple. Let me just show you this. Okay. Add your wallet. So you just click here. Come here. 3. Add your Visa wallet. Just click here to open. This thing it shouldn't be any problem. Sorry, my network is actually slow. Okay. This is the tax 3 we have now come to. Okay. This is now the tax 3. So adding your wallet. This is the part that you actually need patience. This is the part that you need patience. You know, remember, patience is one of the virtues of this community. So you just go through it and create your Waves wallet. It's as easy as anything. This is the video to watch. It's by Graham. You watch it. It's the same thing. If you don't also understand it, or if you can't hear it, just follow these steps. Okay? Step 1, step 2, step 3. We have got outline steps, step by step, up to step 14. That is all. Once you are set up, just copy your Waves wallet address and then go into your WeShare Abundance account. Your dashboard, okay? Your dashboard. Let me just go back to my dashboard and show you something here. You can see here, looking at this, you can see that this is my Visa wallet because I have added it already. If you didn't add it, they will show you what to add it. So you have to just click on Manage. Then you can click here, Add Wallet, because I've already added mine. If you didn't add yours, there will be a box here. Just add it. Also, there's a video here that shows you how to do it. So this is it all you just need to do. I hope this video makes sense. So that is it. This indeed is a bit long, but I just wanted to make sure you got everything. This could have been divided into 3 different videos. Check it out. So that is it I wanted to share with you, especially for my team members in WeShare Abundance. If you also watched this video and you actually didn't understand, or you are not a member of WeShare Abundance yet, click the first link in the description of my video and check it out. This is a community of nations for people. Okay, let's share it out. Then you can also come here and check whatever that is here. You have user login each day here. It's as easy as anything. You read messages, your inbox as service to your fellow members. That is it here, and you are done. So get started. Let me know if you still need any help. Just comment below and I'll get back and help you. You can also find my WhatsApp number. Just check it out and send me a message. Thank you.